Hey guys, and welcome to the video on how to get a toll-free number on Twilio and connect it up to your HighLevel account. Now, we've already done a video on how to create an A2P number on Twilio, and we've connected it up to our HighLevel already. So our Twilio sub-account is connected to here. It's got our A2P number in here. If you've missed that one, I'll pop the link below this video for you. But this is doing the toll-free number in case you want to do that route. So we're in our Twilio account. This is the dashboard. I'm going to click into our dashboard. And then I'm going to go and select the sub account we want the number for, which will be flexible demo. This one here. And then we're going to want to go and just type in a number. I'm going to go buy a number. We are going to go down to advanced search, and we're going to go to toll free and just press search. And we're going to go and select a toll free number that we like the look of. So I'll just select any number. Just saying that you need toll free verification, which we're going to do in a sec. So we're going to buy the number. Cool. And then I'm going to go and verify this toll number. Cool. So that's the business profile. Next up, we want to just fill this all out. So you should already have some data in there. Now there's only one business, and this is what we've created in the A2P video. So this has already been created in that video. And that's for the business for this sub account. So this sub account is for our company, Flexible. So we've set that up previously, so that's why it's already there. You just want to make sure you popped in your legal entity name, and you want to make sure you pop in your correct website. Now it's brought through the contact details and the business address that we've already added in, so that's good. Estimated monthly volume. So then you're going to want to just go and make sure this is all set up correctly. Web form, question use case, let's go and select marketing, proof of consent collected. So this is where you're going to need that same form that you've got. So let me just go and get that quickly. This will be where you're collecting the data. So I believe we've got ours in here. Okay, so I found that. So this is what our opt-in form looks like, similar to what we did in the A2P video as well, just very standard. That's attached to our website. Use case description. Let me just go and get it up. So it's quite similar to A2P. Let's get this up, A2P. There we go. Cool, so we can just go and grab the use case that we used before here. So use case description, pop that in there. Sample message, do we have it in there? There we go. Yep, we got a sample message as well. This will be the Prince Charming message that you use. So hi, it's Sarah. So make sure you update this from Flexible. Make sure you put in your client's name there. Is this the same first name who is looking into getting AI automation setup, AI automation services from us recently? Cool, done. Email for notifications, stay up to date on the status of this verification. So just pop in the email that you want to receive these notifications. Additional information, don't really need to put that. Opt-in confirmation message, optional. Help message, sample optional. Cool, so we're going to leave those off, but then we can go and get these privacy and terms of condition things going. That's the privacy. That's the terms, opt-in keywords. Start opt-in confirmation message, so we can just add that in because we already have that in our thing, which is here. copy this. If you need this document, just let me know in school or comment below this video, and that's totally fine. Pop that in there, and we can just put from flexible. Cool, so that's all good. We've got marketing, just making sure we've gone through everything. So you just want to just agree to terms of service. If it's got age-gated content, click this. Ours doesn't. Don't need to put in this stuff. You can add a bit more additional information in there if you so wish, but I don't think you have to. And then we'll just go send information for verification, and we'll send. And it will just say the toll-free information has been successfully submitted. They'll notify us when it comes back. So that's basically how you set up your toll-free application. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just pop a little comment below this video, and we'll try and get back to you, or obviously leave a comment in the school group and tag me. But yeah, again, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.